Sacramento, we may not need that, but you need your rain boots today.
You do need your rain boots today, and I just want to go ahead and say on the onset, our producer Sade just told me she has extra time.
Okay.
So she says, Tracy, do what you want.
Do your thing.
Do my thing. Ad nauseum is what I heard.
All right.
Now, if I talk too long, Sade, just wrap me, okay? All right, so you don't really get, most times, I mean, it's a news show. It's not often that you get a whole lot of time to tell the weather story, but let's go for it. First Alert Action Day, that's going to be today. Rainfall still heavy at times. Poor drainage flooding. That rain has to go someplace, so that's why the gutters have to be clean. You got to move all the leaves out the way. And any of those areas that are known for flooding or ponding, standing water, those roadways, those streets are probably going to have to deal with that over the course of the next couple of days. Gusty winds in the forecast earlier today. They will be subsiding as we move into the evening hours, and snow levels still coming up really high above 7,000 feet as this is a warm storm. Here's a look at your satellite and your radar, and we still got activity on there. Many parts of the valley floor got a little lull in the action from Redding to Sacramento, but when you get to the foothills into the Sierra, they still got a nice moderate to bands of heavy rainfall moving through. So here is what's happening in the upper levels. This is a weather system. This is a weather system. This is a weather disturbance, essentially giving us lift and enhancing the instability, and that's where the showers are coming from. Now we turn our attention to another low pressure system. Can you make it out? There it is right there. Beautiful, isn't it? That low pressure system is going to be the one that's going to be moving down to the south. And as it does, the outer rain bands, right, as it moves around, will keep the chance of showers in the forecast late tonight and throughout the day on Wednesday. So let's take another look at it. We have the weather disturbances now. We had a trough and a small low pressure system. And then here's the big guy. This one's going to be dropping down to the south, and it's the outer rain bands that are going to give us a chance of showers throughout the day on Wednesday. Now, when you get to Thursday, just a few clouds, but otherwise we're drying, and all that system moves down to the south. As we get to Friday, there's a minor weather disturbance that comes through. Looks like a frontal boundary, could give us a few light flurries, maybe a few light showers on the northern end of the valley floor. Otherwise, Friday is going to be mostly dry. Saturday looks to be dry. Sunday's Christmas Eve. I love it. Now we get to Christmas Day. Still looks good. But what is this huge behemoth out here in the Pacific, and when does that get here? Take a look. We get to Tuesday. Clouds are increasing. And now Wednesday, another system coming in. Thursday, we still got activity. Get this. That's Friday. That's coming in Friday. So you're going to be dry when you move into the weekend, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then we'll have a string and a series of more weather systems slated to come back into the region next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In the meantime, take a look at some of our rain reports. Yesterday, more than 2 inches of rainfall in Sacramento Valley. Strawberry Valley, rather. More than 1 inch coming in for Sacramento International, as well as into Marysville, also into Vacaville. Close to 1.5 inches of rainfall in Pollock Pines, as well as into Woodland. So we got socked yesterday. We got much more rainfall on the way. But look at where we are for our water year. So I know it's a lot of rainfall, but this is really the best storm we've had all season. We're 2 inches below average. So I know it's a lot of rain, but we need all of it. And much more is on the way. Additional rainfall anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch for the northern end of the valley floor, and 2 to 3 inches in some of the hardest hit spots in the upper foothills into the Sierra. And as far as snowfall, this is not a snow event. Maybe 1 to 3 inches coming in for Donner, finally sticking once you get colder air coming in late tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. But most of the snowfall is going to be way up on those upper peaks around 7,500 to 8,000 feet in elevation. So there goes the sunshine Thursday through Monday, but keep in mind more rain and snow could be on the way for next week.
I was enjoying my break here. All right, we'll get back to work.